This vinca plant has lovely flowers. You can see, very rarely found in plant nurseries. A stem is dying, the rest of the plant is perfectly okay. Hybrid vinca is too sensitive plant and has various colors. On the previous episode of vinca, I showed you how I lost a white flower vinca. So on this note, let's be prepared to have the remaining vinca plants healthy and make some more copy of the plants. There is no breakage at the base, but still stem is dying. Sometimes no reason found for these issues. However, have to cut the stem away. Friends, today in this episode want to share with you that after several research I found that a hybrid vinca plant will survive in your garden for 2 years or maybe 3 years, but not more than that, and by that time we need to propagate the plant through cuttings. Plants grow through seeds also, but seedlings are so delicate that they hardly survive. Moreover, time taking also. I have checked the base, there is no breakage, but the stem is dying. I don't know why. If anybody know the reason, you can share it on the comment section. However, I have found hybrid vinca to be a very high maintenance plant with severe root rot problem. Any plant which has root rot issue, be conscious about the soil type. I would suggest not to use coco peat at all. Use much tiny gravels with the soil. Coarse river sand, charcoal chips, vermicompost, leaf compost, neem extract, add all of them to your garden soil and grow your vinca plant. Be very careful about watering. Water less. Vinca plant cannot withstand overwatering at all. This red vinca has some small stems. Let me see whether the cutting survive or not, and I will place here beside the mother plant, and this dying stem I will cut it away. So let's wait for the next day and I will be back soon. Let me see whether the cutting survives or not. Vinca cannot withstand overwatering at all. This red vinca has some small stems. Let me see whether the cutting survives or not. Water your vinca plants daily if the soil is dry. Do not water if the soil is moist. Do not make infrequent watering, which will lead to yellowing of leaves. Friends, I am back here with the same plant after a week. The cuttings have grown wonderful. I did not hope so. Okay, now let's not stay with a single plant. From now onwards, as there is first set of bloom on the hybrid vinca, with lots of courage we can snip off 1 or 2 stems of the plant. But no force, of course. If you wish, you can. Previously, I have propagated through seeds, but survival rate is more through cuttings. Now you see this hybrid color. This is 2.5 years old vinca, and I will cut off some of the stems and will place them in soil. The leaves have gone yellow, and this yellowing of leaves has happened due to aging. Not exactly yellow, but leaves are gradually growing pale. कुछ प्लांट्स की लाइफ स्पैन 2-2.5 साल की होती है, तो चलिए इनकी दूसरी तीसरी कॉपीज बनाया जाए ताकि हम इनकी स्पीसीज को बरकरार रख सके अपनी गार्डन पे. Make some 3 to 4 inch cuttings, remove leaves from base and will remove flowers tomorrow. We'll place the cuttings beside mother plant. Vinca plants need sufficient sunlight, but city with scorching sunlight and 35 degrees Celsius above temperature. Keep the plant under half day sun or otherwise under full day sun where there is moderate climate. So these are the cuttings, and now I will place them beside the mother plant. Let me tell you, the hybrid vinca is very sensitive to infrequent watering. Sometimes we skip watering in our garden, but vinca will soon show its symptoms by yellowing leaves. Here we can see some of the seedlings, and hope you can see them. Now the cuttings I will place beside the mother plant. For fertilizer, you can add vermicompost, very dry cow dung compost. You can even add half spoon DAP, but always use either of them with an interval of 2 months. But if you are a regular viewer of my channel, you will know I do not use fertilizer at all. This is my nature of gardening, but sometimes we need to fertilize. Do not let infestation to your plants. Make a routine spray of neem oil mixed with soap every after 25 days or once a month. That's all, friends. If you want to know more on Winka, then watch other episodes on Winka. Click into the playlist, all the episodes are enlisted. Or you can type Winka Garden Hill, that will help you. Lots of love from Garden Hill. Stay connected, like, share, subscribe. Place your honest comments.